Most of your body is less than 10 years old, but your brain? It's the same one you were born with. Most of your body is less than 10 years old, but your brain? It's the same one you were born with. In 2005, a team at Sweden's Karolinska Institute used Cold War nuclear fallout to date human cells. Carbon-14 from atomic tests had seeped into every living thing, and by measuring how much remained, they could tell exactly when each cell was born. What they found? Your gut lining replaces itself every 3 days. Red blood cells last 4 months. Your skeleton rebuilds completely in about a decade. But your cerebral cortex neurons, the ones that hold your memories, your personality, your sense of self, most of them have never been replaced. Your eye lens is formed before you were born. Your heart still runs on cells from childhood. They renew at barely 1% per year. So most of you is brand new. But the part that makes you you, it's been